Hello. You're the bravest, aren't you, eh? Nothing to eat here. Nice to have a bit of company though. See you later, guys. Ladies. Which way? Holcombe Old Church only. Must be this way. Godzooks. Grass on the road. How am I going to stay upright? That's an in-joke if you happen to be a motorcyclist. Especially North American motorcyclist. Here we go, an old church in the middle of nowhere. So here we are at Holcombe Church, or as it's known, the Plague Church. It's now in the middle of the countryside. There was a village here. Back in 1348. The Black Death hit the area and there were mass graves, and the villagers decided that apart from those few houses there that remain, the village would be knocked down and moved up over the hill away from potential infection. So it's an unusual place, still hosts weddings now, at least when the lockdown finishes. But there is one more interesting thing about this church around the back. It really is just sat in the countryside. Tucked around here is a grave you would not expect to see. Captain Scott of Antarctica. He's obviously not actually buried here because he was lost for ever such a long time in the Antarctic, but there was a ceremony by his family who lived in this area, and this is his gravestone. How about that? In loving memory of John Edward Scott of Outlands, Stoke Damrell, died October 27th, 1897, age 66. And what does that say? Also to the memory of, so maybe that was 1897, maybe that was his father, Robert Falcon Scott, or is that GVO? Captain in the Royal Navy, son of the above, yes, who in returning from the South Pole with his companions was translated by a glorious death, March 1912. How about that? Thank you for your service, sir. It's an incredible story. Archibald O'Connor Scott, Hannah Scott, there's obviously some relations, Rose Campbell, Grace Mayers Scott, nothing on this side. So there you are in the middle of the Somerset countryside in the UK. There's Scott's memorial grave. Better get back to my bike before I catch the Black Death. Just check, but I don't suppose the church is open right now. Due to the COVID restrictions, please go to the Holcombe Inn for the key. And while down at the church, please do not let anyone else in. So you can come and have a look inside. I should do that one day. The Holcombe Inn, which 20 years or so ago was called the Ring of Roses, and that was to do with the song which the nursery rhyme which was about the Black Death. A tissue, we all fall down. History repeats itself. Oh dear. Thanks for watching. You know what to do. I'm not even going to say it. Just one more thing for the files. This hill here, Kilmerston, just down the road from Holcombe. This is the hill that Jack and Jill fell down. Just there. With a church at the bottom. Jack and Jill Hill. Who'd have thunk it? Time for a coffee.